Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to do a review on my C6 Corvette Borla exhaust. I got the Borla Stingers. It's full exhaust, X-pipe, mufflers. So first I'll give you a startup and a couple revs. Gotta love the sound of an LS engine. If you are looking for an exhaust that's not too loud, not too quiet, I would recommend the Borla Stinger exhaust. In my opinion, it sounds good, just right. The exhaust that I have on this car runs around $1,100 to $1,200. And then that's just the cat bag. That's not including the X-pipe. So once you add the X-pipe in there, you're probably looking at about, say, $1,500 total. So it's a little pricey, but you gotta keep in mind they always hit you with the Corvette tax. But yeah, no complaints. I like it. I know there's other options out there, such as Corsa. I heard that's pretty good. But comparing this to the Borla Attack. Borla Attack is by far a better exhaust, much louder. The Stinger is perfect for driving it daily, although I kind of drive this car. I don't necessarily drive this car daily, but I enjoy having the noise whenever I need it. I don't want to sound obnoxious. About to give you a couple pulls with the exhaust, let you hear it. Stuck in traffic. It's got a nice burble to it. Could be louder. We're going about 70 miles an hour. You can slightly hear it, but it's not crazy loud. My other car, I got the SLP loudmouth on that one, and that thing just sounds loud.